डे 6 ऑफ व्लॉगिंग एंड आज का दिन कुछ ऐसा स्टार्ट हुआ कि अपेरेंटली मेरा जो एयरटेल का सिम कार्ड है वो जब से मैं दुबई लैंड किया हूँ इन अक्टूबर, द सिम कार्ड हैज स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग एवर सिंस एंड then I had to arrange for somebody to actually have the SIM card sent out to me here in Dubai. So finally today I have received the SIM card. Now I'm going to try and put the SIM card in the spare phone. Apart from that, today was mostly very slow. I had like a day off today, so most of this time was spent at home. Got my groceries, going back, and uske baad somehow out of nowhere I got to see amazing views. So I got to see views from the Airshow which were happening here right outside my window. So I'm gonna put those videos in this part of the vlog too. So cheers, check it out. An outdoor paradise for two. That's more like it. Most of the day was spent cooking and doing this and that and laundry and so much of random stuff. Check it out and let me know your views. Thank you. So और एक बात, so if you are traveling for the first time into a different country and if you use any SIM cards from India, then make sure that before you actually leave India, do inform your service provider and follow the steps that they have to tell you, or else like I had to send out a simple message for international roaming which I did not know of, I guess, and somehow I did not send it, and uski wajah se it's been so crazy here. I tried to call up Airtel customer service, I tried to do this, that, sort it out, but then unfortunately nothing really happened that much. So apparently any which ways, but make sure that you always speak to your service provider and sort these things out before you actually leave the country, because after you reach here and actually are staying here for a longer duration, then it gets very difficult. So yes, that's more like it. So zaruri nahi hai ki you have to make or receive calls, but in general a SIM card is very important because nowadays you have 2-factor, 3-factor authentication and everything linked to all your social media accounts. So it's always better to have your SIM card because usi pe sare ke sare OTPs and XYZ jitne bhi confirmations aane hain, your RT-PCR reports, your XYZ, each and everything is actually sent out to you via SMS. And then I have been stuck here ever since, and the only problem that I faced because of the SIM card not being active was that I wasn't able to receive my OTPs and so much of information, my bank updates, my credit card statements. I wasn't able to process online transactions from my credit card because the OTPs couldn't be delivered. So make sure that you always sort this out. Cheers.